Decoding the missing ITV Hub app mystery.
Hello there. Today, we're tackling an issue many have experienced. Why can't you find the ITV Hub app on your TV's App Store? To resolve this, we'll go through several possible reasons and solutions.
Is your TV's App Store region locked?
Many devices, including smart TVs, use region-based stores to distribute apps. This is because some apps, like ITV Hub, are only available in certain regions. ITV Hub, for instance, is primarily available in the UK. If you're living outside the UK, or if your device's region settings aren't set to the UK, it's highly likely that the ITV Hub app won't appear in your App Store.
Is your TV model compatible?
The second potential reason is related to device compatibility. ITV Hub is compatible with a wide range of devices and platforms, but there may be some exceptions. Certain older models or specific brands may not support the ITV Hub app. Always check the compatibility of your device with the app.
Is your App Store updated?
App stores on smart TVs are also apps that need updates. An outdated app store may lack the latest apps or recent updates to existing apps. It is always a good practice to ensure that your device and its app store are up to date.
Is there a technical issue with the App Store?
Finally, technical issues can occur. Server errors, connectivity problems, or temporary issues with the TV's App Store can result in certain apps not appearing. If this is the case, troubleshooting the device or contacting customer support may be helpful. And there you have it. Now you have a better understanding of why the ITV Hub app might not be appearing in your TV's App Store. It could be due to region restrictions, device incompatibility, outdated App Store, or even a temporary glitch. We hope this video has been enlightening and helps you navigate your way around this issue. Happy streaming!